we got a special treat for you today. Normally, yeah, it's something country related, music or, you know, camping or being and whatnot. But today, we're at Disneyland. So now, granted, you'll be seeing this after we're far gone. But in the meantime, we're going to take you along for a trip here, and it ought to be a blast. So if you have any audio issues, you have to forgive us. We forgot an adapter for this phone. We had to go compact because we're at the park. But it should be fun. Hope you enjoy it. So folks, I've been in the park for less than a minute and I've already been told to move by cast members. Now, I didn't know this, I didn't really have a sign, I guess you have to be paying attention, but if you get around the pumpkin here, yeah, they have photographers that are cast members taking pictures. That's for money, so they don't like to touch that. But I want to just mention the building behind me. I'm going to shoot here in a second. That's the entrance to what I thought was a Disneyland Clothers. A few weeks ago, and check out his channel, Fresh Baked, on YouTube, great guy, mentioned this because it had been behind a building wall. I think they had some scrim up and everything. They did some remodeling here on Main Street. They took away the vintage sign. I kind of liked it, but you know, I will show it to you here. Just, I don't know, it just seems kind of bare, but that's just my opinion. But anyway, so we're going to keep moving through the park, and I'll point out some of the changes and everything that they have here, and hopefully not blind you too much with the light. It's a gorgeous day here in Anaheim, California. All right. Put that one in there, but I am not taking the picture if we buy it. Had to ditch the hat. Just can't, you know. No. trip includes a souvenir for $27.99. And then the vote is?
Yes.
I think it's cold. So what do you think, Nolan? Is that like Boo Monster Guy? Is that kind of scary? No, I don't think so either. Hey folks, so we're over in Disney's California Adventure now. I didn't come in too much yesterday, but
okay, guys,
fighting
it's time to do some serious rafting.
Cold of some sort for the past couple days, so I keep losing my voice. But this one we're going to take you on. Now, we're not Disneyland vloggers per se. If you want that, then again, I recommend you check out Fresh Bake and Offhand Disney as well. Offhand Disney will tell you all the little secrets about the movies, specifics about the rides, and some tips. Fresh Baked, they're here all the time. Heck, they were here yesterday morning filming the updates on the construction going on at Galaxy's Edge. So those are the guys you want to check out. So we're just here having fun. We're going to take you on through this ride through real quick, and then we'll cut into y'all later.
Oh no, and this is when we die.
As long as I'm not going up backwards, I don't care.
Oh, well, thanks.
I'm sorry. I don't like going up backwards. Matter of fact.
Let's see this. Right now, suddenly I'm looking at the mount for this. It looks so unstable. My luck, it'll fly out of the trees. Hey, at the beginning of the ride, we had Carly. By the end, we had Weird Al again.
This is where we're going to get wet.
Already. No.
Oh my goodness, wet.
Wow. I'm sitting here covering my pocket. I'm like, I don't want my pocket to get wet. I got my phone in it. Like I got my phone in it.
Your phone waterproof?
No.
Oh.
Well, I don't know. It's an iPhone 8 Plus.
Yeah, it's waterproof.